This is a Kitchenaid wall oven. After self-cleaning, the oven doesn't work. If you want to try to bake, it shows close the door and the flashing. Today I'm going to show you the reason for this and how to fix it. Let's start it. For safety, turn off the circuit breaker. Stay tuned to the end. I will explain why I replaced the door latch and how to test it. In order to access the door latch, we have to disassemble the wall oven. Take off the mounting screw on both sides for the trim, and then after that, remove the trim. Usually there's two oven mounting screws on both sides. Take them out. And then gently slide the wall oven out a few inches. There's a two screw mounting the console on the frame, so you have to take both of them out. Right hand side is easy to take it out. However, on the left-hand side, there's no room for regular screwdriver. I have to use very tiny wrench to lose that screw. Next, I'm going to take off the 4 screw mounting the front trim above the oven in order to access the door latch assembly. Gently take out the front trim. From here you can see you can access the door latch assembly. I received the new door latch assembly. To be honest, it's not cheap. I put the link below. If you need it, you can refer that link. One trick for replace the bad electrical component is you don't have to unplug all the wire from the bad part. You only disconnect one and then put on the new part in the corresponding terminals. In this case, you won't mess up the connections. So I just unplug one and reconnect it on the new part, and one by one until I finished all the wire. There's a 2 screw mounting the door latch assembly. I used the short screwdriver to unscrew to take off the screw. And then take out the bad part, the door latch assembly, and put the new one on the right place, and put the screw there, and then tighten it up. Now in reverse step, mount the trim above the oven back on, and tighten up the 4 screws there. Next, use screw to mount the console on the frame and tighten it up on the right hand side first, and then use the the bit, because they don't have enough space, to tighten up on the left hand side. Next, tighten the screw mounting the oven on the cabinet frame on both sides, left and the right. Don't over tighten the screw. Finally, put a decorating trim back on both sides of the oven, and use screw to tighten up. Last, power up and verify if oven is working. You can see we enter the temperature and bake, and the press start. There's no closed door there. From my oven repairing experience, if you can avoid using self-cleaning, don't use it. It causes a lot of trouble. From door latch malfunction, door locked, control board failure, you name it. This is the door latch I replaced. And I will test why this door latch doesn't work. I set up this with the 2 meters and check that the 2 limit switch here, the micro switch. This is the motor. I hook up my test cord. My test cord with a overcurrent protection, the auto reset, and the 1 switch to turn on and off. So I will let the door latch motor run to see how this is work. I plug in the test cord and turn on. You can see this door latch motor is moving. The latch here is go up, and then they will turn to the left a little bit. See? So they have a motor, they have a cam, they have a lever to move up and down. So at this time, you can see if that's a limit switch, change the status. This one is going to change the status. Right now, it's open. After a while, you will see it close. But on the right-hand side, this limit switch is never change the status. That's the problem. So when you start to bake all the self-cleaning, the control board sends a signal to let this motor run and lock the door. They need a waiting signal, both a limit switch. They have to be changed the status, and then they know, okay, my door is locked. Right now, they don't know. So that's why on the display, they always show close the door, close the door. This is the reverse side of the door latch. You can see the motor spin. They turn this cam, they move this plate up and down. If you like to know how to check infinite switch or the burner, take a look at these videos. Thank you for watching to this moment. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Also hit notification bell. Thank you. See you next time.